Oil and gas are two of the most highly sought-after resources in the world. They are found in abundance in geological structures known as buried hills, which are elevations on old land surfaces covered by new rocks. In China, the Jizhong Depression is home to multiple buried hills, including the Ordovician buried hills, which are excellent sources of oil and gas. Unfortunately, the complex geology and strong reservoir heterogeneity of the Ordovician buried hills has restricted the exploration of new oil and gas reserves in this region. To address this, a team of researchers from the PetroChina Huabei Oilfield Company conducted a study to identify reservoir-forming conditions and modes that can enable oil and gas exploration in the Ordovician buried hills. They focused on the source rock conditions, reservoir types, trap genetic types of the buried hills, and reservoir-forming modes that could guide this exploration. The study was published in Earth Science Frontiers. They found that the Ordovician buried hill oil resources derive abundant hydrocarbon supply from the source rocks of the Paleogene and Carboniferous Permian periods. Furthermore, 3 types of reservoir models, which include the karst cave, fracture pore fissure, and the cloud pore, have high exploration potential. Additionally, they discovered that the low-level tectonic lithologic composite quasi-layered buried hill is the most favorable reservoir-forming area, while uplift depression and depression uplift are the 2 most favorable buried hill trap origins to guide further exploration. Importantly, the team found that the most suitable areas for future oil and gas exploration are the Secundian and the Xinjiang buried hills. These findings indicate the high potential of unhindered and effective oil and gas exploration in the Jizhong Depression for years to come.